Have you ever cooked a meal before? Cooking means using heat to prepare food. When we cook, we follow steps to turn ingredients into a meal. Cooking is a skill you can learn and practice. What is cooking? When we heat food, we are cooking it. Heat can make food softer, warmer, and safe to eat. Cooking also makes food tasty. So, how do you know what to cook first? Choosing a recipe. Before you cook, you need a recipe. A recipe is like a plan. It tells you what ingredients you need, what tools you need, and the steps to follow. When choosing a recipe, ask yourself, do I have the ingredients? Do I understand the steps? And do I have enough time? If you're new to cooking, start with easy recipes that have less steps. Different ways to cook. Did you know there are a lot of ways to cook food? You can use the stovetop, the oven, or a small kitchen appliance, like a microwave or air fryer. Let's learn about each cooking method. Stovetop cooking. When you cook using a pot or pan on top of the stove, this is called stovetop cooking. You control the heat using the knobs. You can use the stovetop to do things like boil water, cook pasta, scramble eggs, or heat soup. To cook safely, always stay nearby. Set timers, and keep an eye on your food. Oven cooking. Another place to cook food is inside the oven. The oven heats food from all sides. You can use the oven to bake, roast, or reheat food. Before putting food inside, you need to preheat the oven. This is when you heat up the oven early so it's ready for your food. Read your recipe to find the temperature, and to stay safe, set timers and use oven mitts to remove food. Microwave cooking. You can also heat food quickly using a microwave. The microwave uses energy to heat food from the inside. You can use a microwave to warm leftovers, cook frozen meals, or make foods like oatmeal or popcorn. To use the microwave safely, never heat up anything with metal or aluminum. Stick to containers and dishes marked as microwave safe. And be careful opening the microwave door. Steam, dishes, and food can be very hot. Air fryer cooking. An air fryer is a way to cook food using hot air in a small appliance. An air fryer makes food crispy by moving hot air around it. You can cook foods like chicken nuggets, fries, vegetables, or pizza rolls. The basket gets very hot, so remove it carefully. Following a recipe. There are many other ways to cook food. You might have a pressure cooker, slow cooker, or toaster oven in your kitchen. No matter which cooking method you use, it is important to follow a recipe. A recipe tells you what ingredients you need, what tools you need, and what steps to follow. Following directions helps your food turn out the way you expect. A quick safety reminder: cooking uses heat, and heat can cause burns. If you're new to cooking, you should always have a helper around. Use oven mitts when touching hot pans. Turn pot handles inward. Never leave cooking food unattended. And if you are unsure about something, ask for help. Cleaning up. When you finish cooking, be sure to turn off appliances, put food away, wash dishes, and wipe counters. Cleaning up is part of cooking. Let's review. Today, we learned all about the different ways to cook, like using the stovetop, oven, microwave, or air fryer. When you cook, follow the recipe step by step. Stay safe and clean up when you are done. Cooking is a skill you can practice and improve. Keep learning and growing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.